Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create this quantum financial system website step by step. So even though you don't have any experience on how to build a website, this video tutorial is going to help you and guide you on how you can achieve this awesome web creation. And mind you, it doesn't just end here. You are going to make so much money when you know how to do this and also create it for someone else that needs it. So stick around in this video while you learn how to do this on your own. And also, before the video ends, I'm going to give out the information on how you can get this awesome script from us. So this is a quantum financial system. It's called a QFS website. So this website has a connect wallet that enables users to connect their 12 phrase to your website. You can connect your Plus wallet, you can connect your MetaMask to it. So I'm going to show you guys what this website looks like on the mobile phone. So watch it and see how it looks on the mobile phone. For you to build this awesome website, what you need is a domain name and a hosting platform. So I bring to you a wonderful and offshore, a bulletproof hosting company that's going to help you stay anonymous and make your website last. So I don't know if you've had these issues of building a website and all of a sudden the client calls you and tell you that I cannot access my website. That is because they flag a lot of websites. So the reason why you don't need that to happen anymore is because you need to get a DMCA ignored hosting. So this is a bulletproof hosting that is going on this area for as low as $1.62 a month. So if you want your website to last long, I advise you to use this .shift. And they have their offshore hosting, they have their DMCA hosting. So they have a lot of things that you need. VPS hosting is here. I'm going to drop the link on my description so you can be able to get that for yourself. So after buying your domain name and hosting, they're going to assign you to a cPanel. So a cPanel is fully known as a control panel. This is where you control your website, install your scripts, and then set up your emails, accounts, and also connect your FTP with them. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can achieve that actual website I showed you from the beginning. So we're going to scroll down here and click on domains. So clicking on domain now, you can see that we have our main domain here. So we're going to create a subdomain for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on create a new domain, and we're going to create a domain called class. So now we're going to create a subdomain, and we'll wait for it to create. So awesome, you can see that we have our subdomain created successfully. Now we're going back to the tools here, and we're going to look for our file manager. Mind you, if you are buying your domain for the first time, you don't have to do what I am doing right now. Once you buy your domain, you're going to see your domain as the main domain. So that's the domain you're going to use to upload your files. And also, if you want my help in building a website, you can just come to my DM. I'm going to attach my link, my WhatsApp link there. You can come to my DM and tell me that you want to build a website, or you want me to build a website. If you want to get the script from us, you can also text me and tell me that you want to get this script not to help you to build a website, because people actually confuse themselves by telling you to sell the script and then they want you to help them to build websites. I don't do that. I can only build for you and you get me paid, or I sell the script for you. So guys, when you're coming, know what you want. Thank you guys. So you click on this file manager here. Wait for it to load up. So on the file manager, you can see that we already have a file inside. Now we're going to look for the subdomain that we created, which is this very one here. I'm going to click on it. Now our subdomain is currently empty. We don't have anything inside. So we're going to upload our script here. I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to select the file that I want to upload here. I'm going to search for QUnit and click on this and click on this and click on open. So guys, I promise you that you get this script at the end of this video. I will tell you how to get this script at the end of this video. So while we're waiting for this to upload, we're going to create our database. I'll go back and search for database wizard. So this is our database wizard here. I'm going to click on it and we're going to click create a new database. So I'm going to call my database class DB and click on next step. So I'm going to copy this same name here, add it to my username, and copy the full names here, add it to my password one and password again. So after doing this, I'm going to click on create user. After clicking on create user, it's going to bring us to this area. So I'm going to tick on this all privileges here and scroll down and click on make changes. Now mind you, this database is very, very important because you need to use it to connect to your website. Without that, it's not going to be working properly. So let's check if our stuff is still uploading. Okay, now it's still uploading, is at 49%. So we're going to make use of this time now and upload our SQL database on my phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to wait for this to go back and go to the tools area. So we're going to search for our phpMyAdmin. So this is our phpMyAdmin. I'm going to click on it. So clicking on it now, we're going to wait for it to load up while we check if our stuff is still uploading. So it's still uploading. We still have it here uploading. The first one got stuck, so we had to re-upload it again. So this is our phpMyAdmin loading up. We have our phpMyAdmin open. I'm going to click on the database that I just created. After clicking on that, I'm going to click on this import area here, and I'm going to choose file. So I'm going to go to my download and click on this database SQL file. So I'm going to click on import. So okay, our script has been uploaded successfully. So I'm going to go back here. Going back here now, I am going to click on this and right click and extract this file. Also, I'm going to show you guys where the SQL file that I just uploaded is. So in case you're getting this, you will know how to get it. So I'm going to delete this file because I don't need it. Delete it and then open this public_html, select or click on move. We have to backspace the name because I'm moving the file to my subdomain. I'm going to click on move here, and that is it. So if you go back on up one level, you will get to see that all the files that I moved from the public_html is here. Now for you to get your SQL file, you see this SQL area, you click on it, double click, so open up, and then you click on this and click on download, so you can upload it on your PHP My Admin. You can see that our own has been uploaded successfully. So we're going to close this area and go up one level. And also, if you're having a hard time installing the script, it also comes with an installation guide. So you open it and view. It gives you step-by-step guide on how you can do what you are doing, and also it shows you how to log in on your PHP how to log in your admin panel from this area, and also how to log in your site area, and how to set your SMTP, and how to install the script, how to set your database, everything you need to know about the script. So now we're going to go back and connect our database. Now on the script installation guide, let's read it together. Okay, to set up the database, find a folder called app. Inside that app folder, locate a folder called logic. Inside the logic folder, you will see the connection.php file. So now this is the step we're going to take to connect our database. So we're going to click on the app folder and then click on the logic folder, and then inside that logic folder we are seeing our connection.php. So I'm going to click on it and right click and click on edit. Click on edit again. So over here now, this is where we can put our database that we created. For most of you that is doing this for the first time, I advise that you put your database information on a notepad so you don't forget it. So I'm going to copy it and put on my username first. Select this carefully and paste my password. Select this carefully and paste for my DB name. Now over here now, so I'm going to show you guys something. After clicking on save, now the admin email should be here, and the site name should be here, and the site URL should be here. So we're going to go back to our tools and create an email, a very quick email. We're going to create an email so we can use it to set up our website. So I'm going to create an email right now. I will say hello, generate the password. I'm going to copy this password because I need it. So the best part of me to save my passwords and information is just to open up a Google Doc. Once I open up a Google Doc, I can just paste all the passwords and the email that I am creating. So I'm going to do that and then click on create email. So automatically now we've created our email. I'm going to click on this connect device. Now I'm going to connect the device now with you guys. So I'm going to copy this email here, the username, and paste it here because I need it. So I'll go back to this connection and paste the email address here. Now we need the URL of this awesome website. So for us to get the URL of this website, all we need to do is just to copy from here. That says class.pinnacletrustbank.com. Copy it and select this area carefully here and paste the URL. So after doing this, you're going to click on save changes. So now we're going to go back to our installation guide to connect our email, the SMTP email. So on this installation guide, to set up your SMTP so users can receive mail Locate a folder called app. Inside the app folder, you will see a folder called logic. Inside the logic folder, you will see a file called functions.php. So go back again and see, you will see functions.php. So we're going to click on this and click on edit. Click on edit again. Mind you guys, without you setting up this thing, your site is not going to work properly. So you need to set it up very well. Now we're trying to connect this to SMTP email to our email, so it will work very well. So first I'm going to refresh this. So after refreshing this, I'm going to, let's say I'll go back. After going back, I'm going to click on, for you to connect it, after going to your email, after creating, you're going to click on connect devices. So clicking on connect devices, it will bring you to this area. Now this is your outgoing server. This is what you need. You're going to copy this and go to your functions.php that you already opened and paste it here on your host. So after doing that, you're going to copy your username, which I have already copied here. Go back and paste it on my username. So now the password I copied the first time, I told you it's very important. So you're going to copy it, come back to your functions.php and paste it here. Also, I'm going to copy my username again. Paste it here. Paste it here again. So guys, for you to enable this website to work very well, I advise you to use all these steps that I'm using right now so you can accomplish and achieve what you are looking for. So after doing all this, you're going to click on save changes. So when you are done with all this, you don't have any other things to do. You don't have any other things to do. So we're going to look for our domain here. Go to domains. We're going to go to domains and we're going to solve this website to see if it's going to be live on the server. So we're going to click on it, and now you can see that exactly the same thing I showed you, it's on my screen. Exactly the same thing I showed you, both the mobile version and the desktop version is on my screen. So for us to go to our admin panel now, we're going to click on this area and go back to our installation guide. Go back to our installation guide, view it. Now for us to go to our admin area, you're going to see to admin logins, you're going to use your site URL /admin/login.php. So I'm going to copy this, go to my URL / and paste it. So after pasting it, I'm going to click on enter. So once you click on enter, it's going to bring you to this interface where you are going to log in your admin panel. So I'm going to copy the first information that says username is admin, paste it, and then the login is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I'm going to click on login. So it's going to bring up this login successful, and I'll click OK. Once I am done clicking OK, it's going to bring me to this session, which is my admin panel. This is my admin panel. It's going to bring you to this admin panel. Now, on this admin panel, you are seeing your admin dashboard. You have your users, you have your transactions, you have your card, you have your KYC, you have your support tickets, you have your secured funds, you have your wallet submissions. So you have your send email, your settings, and change password and log out. So I'm going to explain everything bit by bit. This is your user area. This is where you see all the users that have registered on your website. Now we're going to try to register accounts on this website to see if it's actually working. So we're going to click on this register area. We're going to put in a name, a username. I'm going to put in a password. I'm going to put in my email, my phone number, my country, my state, and I'm going to put in a password. So after doing that, I'm going to agree on these terms and conditions and click on create account. So automatically you have an account. Now I'm going to log in the account with my email address and my password, and also click on remember this account. So I'm going to sign in this account. So after signing in this account, this is how your user dashboard looks like. This is your user dashboard. This is how it looks like. You can make your deposits by here clicking and selecting the payment method you want. You can withdraw here by selecting the area you want. You can link your wallet. This is what I told you guys. You can link your wallet from here by clicking on Trust Wallet. If it's Trust Wallet you want to link your wallet on, you can click on it. By clicking on Trust Wallet, it's going to come up like this and process your wallet. So once you come up like this, you will click on connect manually. You can input all your wallet phrase step by step on this area. So this is for you to link your wallet. This is for you to buy crypto. You can buy crypto anywhere, MoonPay, Mercury, Revamp, anywhere you want to buy your crypto, and you can check your transactions on here. Now if I go back to my admin panel, I'm going to refresh this and you'll get to see that I have registered an account on this area. This is my account right now that just registered, and this is the date that I registered it. So once you link your wallet, you will come to this place. Once your user links their wallet, you will come to this area that says wallet submission. This is where you get to see all wallets that has been linked on this account. I'm going to try and link a wallet right now. Let's see. I'm just going to randomly link a 12 phrase wallet. Let's see how it goes. So let's do that together, guys. So I'm going to connect manually. I'm going to put in 1 house, 2, 3, Randy, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's going to be a 12 phrase, so I'm just going to be putting random things. So we'll have 5 now, we'll have 6 now, we'll have 7 now, we'll have 8 now, we have 9 now, we have 10 now, we have 11 now, and now we have 12. So after inputting all this, I'm going to click on proceed. So it's going to show you this place where it's connecting, and when it's done connecting, it's going to show you a successful message. Now they've connected the wallet. Now if I go back to my admin panel now, I'm going to refresh here. Remember, I'm still on the wallet submission. Now you can see that my wallet is connected right now. Trust recovery phrase is here. This is as simple as ABC. It's very, very easy. So for us to set up our settings, we just click on this settings area. Now settings area is for you to change your BTC address, your Ethereum address, your LTC address, all the necessary address that you need to put in. If you have a PayPal address, you can add it. If you have a bank account, you can add it. If you have a WhatsApp, you can also add it on this platform. So this is how to create this awesome QFS website. So if you are interested in getting the script from us, I'm going to attach the link on my description so you can be able to get it from us, and also get it and you will not regret it. So guys, if this video is helpful, subscribe, like, share, and comment if you have any question. My community is always open for you guys. Ask your questions and I will be here to help you out. So see you guys on the next one.